Golf Whiskey Sierra holding at Bravo, ready for departure.
Whiskey Sierra, stand by, I'll call you.
Going around, I think.
Oh yeah, it's going around. Poof, this should be fun.
Wonder why it's going around.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, report lined up.
Wilco Whiskey Sierra.
And Whiskey Sierra, on reaching, you may take off at your discretion. The aircraft ahead in the go-around is also maintaining the circuit, so maintain your own separation. The wind is 350 degrees 9 knots.
Oh, roger, thank you, Whiskey Sierra.
Elstree information, Golf Bravo, Oscar Lima Tango, number 1 at hold Bravo, ready for departure.
Golf Lima Tango, report lined up.
Lima Tango. Golf Lima.
Okay, I see the church.
And we're turning in between the church and the other built-up area behind, so in the yellow field between them.
Yeah. And we're coming up on 1,000 now.
Okay.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, downwind, touch and go.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, roger, report final.
Wilco Whiskey Sierra.
Okay.
Right, and brakes, we have pressure on the carriages down, mixture fuel rich propeller, it's not applicable, fuel pump is on, instruments are all correct, QFE is correct, T's and P's are all in the green, carburetor heat hot, hatches and harnesses of cure. Okay, so
And we've started descending anyway, and you've done your 2 trims, so...
yeah.
Elstree information, good morning, Golf November Alpha Charlie India on the link.
Golf November Alpha Charlie India, good morning to you. It's 26 right, the QFE, correction, the QNH 1024.
Okay, let's just make sure it's trim
Right
properly.
from 1024, Golf Charlie India, and taxi fuel bay, please.
Okay, just increase your power a little bit so that we don't
Fuel, Golf Charlie India.
come too low. Okay, start your turn now.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, final.
Touch and go.
Whiskey Sierra, roger, the wind at the moment is northerly about 10 knots. You might get a slight tailwind, it's sort of varying around a bit. Touch and go, your discretion.
Oh, roger, thank you, Whiskey Sierra.
Okay, so just keep that line where it is now.
I can feel that wind.
Okay, just crab so you're going to be pointing to the right, so you're staying centre line, which we are at the moment. Just keep it pointing like that. There's no need to do anything other than that. As we get lower, take some power off now. As we get lower, it will get less, and we need less crabbing to maintain centre line. So look at your line on the engine. That's it. Bit of left, hold it there, hold it there. A bit more, right. Okay. Full power, keep this in the wind. Use your rudders to keep your going. Okay.
Runway 26 right, northerly circuit, the QNH 1024. You'll see a PA28 coming down the apron, just follow him up, Bravo.
Golf Lima downwind.
Golf Lima, report final.
Golf Lima.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, downwind, touch and go.
Whiskey Sierra, roger, report final.
Wilco Whiskey Sierra.
So down there for your turning point.
Yeah, that's it, so... Hopefully this one goes a little bit better than the last one.
Okay, we're being blown that way, so if you turn left slightly, so that you're blown to your feature. That's it, so always think about where the wind is coming from.
Yeah.
Try and limit these turns to 20 degrees maximum. The final approach. So keep it coming down until you're in the flare.
Roger, Regis Tank 5, taxi to the Bravo, hold, runway 26 right hand circuit,
You see it's pointing slightly right, isn't it? That's it, bring it round left.
Tank 5, taxi to Bravo, 26 right hand and the QNH is 1024.
Okay, that's because you're trying to concentrate on two things at the same time.
Information, go Bravo Sierra Zulu Whiskey.
Still got to
Request airfield and taxi information.
Zulu Whiskey, taxi
have correct hold off.
to the Bravo, hold, give way to PA 28, will be coming off the apron to cross Alpha, runway 26 right, QNH 1024.
Give way to PA 28 on Alpha, runway 26 right, QNH, say QNH again please.
1024.
1024, go to Whiskey.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, touch and go your discretion, it's still favouring 26 at the moment, 340 degrees, 8 knots.
Bravo Whiskey Sierra.
Okay, don't do the correction until the very last minute. Not yet, don't do it.
Yeah.
So just bring your aileron back. Yeah. Concentrate on your flare more than your... just add a little... okay, you didn't even need it, yeah? Full power. So first concentration must be on your flare, otherwise you're going to get that wrong. And just before touchdown you can actually move the rudder. Use left rudder to line yourself up.
Uniform India. Uniform India, roger.
Because you need to be able to do both at the same time. If you do one only and not the other, that's why we're coming down hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, start your turn now so we don't go too far past.
Golf Zulu may sound for 26, we're going to land on this one.
Roger, report final. It's still about 350, so it's playing games with us, I'm afraid, chaps. We'll stick as we are for the moment.
Yeah, no problem, go to Lima.
As we get lower and lower, the wind gets less, so you need to crab less. So just maintain yourself as a centre line. Okay, take some power off.
Helicopter Victor Hotel, behind the landing aircraft across to the north side.
Okay.
Roger, behind.
So into the flare, concentrate on the flare only. Now a little bit of left rudder now. Just hold a little bit of left rudder. Okay, full power.
Roger, stand by one.
Okay, just increase your power a little bit to get us back up.
Golf Whiskey Sierra, I think we're going to change the runway, so would you like to 180 and back downwind again for me?
Okay, Roger.
A firm Whiskey Sierra, thank you.
Okay, turn left.
Roger, it's really starting to favour 08, so it'll be 08 left hand. Golf Charlie Charlie Zulu Victor, it'll be 08 left. I think they'll move the Seneca out of your way, then you can taxi left on the, right on the apron, Delta and Charlie to the Charlie hold for your power checks. 08 left, QFE 1013.
08 left, turn right, Delta.
Right turn via Delta and Charlie to the Charlie hold at the runway 08 left hand at 1024, the QNH Golf Echo Alpha.
Yankee shut down.
Roger.
You aim well before the runway, so that you can have a chance of touching down on the flat piece. It's looking okay. And then normal flare. Okay, just let me have that. Okay. Got it? got the pedals?
Yep, got the pedals.
Oh, Sierra Zulu Whiskey, Elstree, hello, report overhead, 08 left hand now, QFE 1013.
Indication correct, parking brake is on, engine 1020 RPM. Running to radios.